For all to see, this is how you do it. This is how you make the ultimate mag mount. I'm telling you, this should have been done a long time ago from the factory. All right, I got something really exciting to show you today. I took the Radiolity mag mount. It's what model is it? The M916. I did a video on it earlier on another video. You could check it out. I didn't like a couple things about it. First off, I didn't like the built-in 239 connection for antenna mount. That was just stupid for me because I like using ham sticks and my telescopic whip that takes a 3/8 stud. So that had to go. Secondly, I didn't like the coax on there. It was limited for how long I wanted it. If it gets damaged, your whole mag mount antenna system is compromised, then you're done. Another thing with mag mounts is something that you guys really should know is when you're tuning them, it's very important on how your coax is arranged around the vehicle. It does make a difference on how it tunes if it's over the hood, around the fender, all that kind of stuff. So that coax is really a problem because that was actually part of your antenna. There's no place to put a choke on it until now. You guys got to check this out because I got something that is gonna change the way you think about mag mounts, and they should have been done sooner. Here is the new revised mag mount I made. I couldn't wait to get this video out, so I just threw it together today, did a couple tests. Here it is. It's only a few hours old. One thing you'll see is now we have a 239 connection on there. Toss the coax. That was the first step I wanted to get. Second is I converted the 239 connection for the antenna. I actually used it as, this is it right here. I put on a trucker mount, a stud. Now the real secret, what's really cool about this, guys, I'm going to open this up. No secrets here. I'm showing you everything. We're going to open this up. If I could open it up. This is a prototype, so it may be a prototype forever. You know my stuff. A little screw I have here. I just found a case laying around in my junk drawer. I installed a 1-to-1 choke. Look at that beauty. Now this is something I used in other videos and this is a smaller one, and I'll give you all the instructions in the description, and I'm also going to be doing a how-to video how to make this, and I'm going to also be making a video on how the performance is and some curves and all that kind of stuff, some sweeps. But look at that. For all to see, this is how you do it. This is how you make the ultimate mag mount. I'm telling you, this should have been done a long time ago from the factory. They should have put a connector on it. They should have put a choke on it. And of course, they always should put a proper antenna mount for us. You guys, like and subscribe. Follow me on this channel. I'm going to be showing you the build again. And I'm going to be showing you how it works. And a lot of other great videos. Hey, for now, 73s, see you hams on the bands. And you guys who aren't hams, what are you waiting for? Get your license.